Best 1 minute scalping strategy on TradingView.com. Today you will learn how to scalp like a pro. Before we lose any time, let's jump in the video. Let's start with adding our first indicator, and let's go to indicators tab, search for Hull Suite, and you will see indicator from InSilico. Click that to your chart and go to your time frame, change the 1 minute time frame because we will scalp today, guys. And after you add the indicator, you should see something like this. Let's do the settings and we will talk about how it works. So go to settings and change Hull variation to EHEMA and change length to 70. After you done that, hit OK and your setup is nearly ready. This is our first indicator and we are going to use two different indicators, one for the signal, one for the confirmation. So let's take a look at how this thing works. It's actually very easy. When you see the red color, we will enter short position, and when you see the green color, you will enter long position. Easy like that. But there is a problem with that. Because we are trading on 1 minute, price can fluctuate a lot. It can be in a ranging market, it can do a lot of fake breakouts or breakdowns. So how you can solve these fake signals is kind of tough, but today you will learn how to avoid them in the most way you can. So you see that there is a buy signal, but price just ranged and it just returned to red. So it's a problem, right? And here we got a sell signal, we got a long signal. Again, this is a very short red signal here, and it's a problem. Again, this is a green, red. These are so small signals and this will cause you a lot of problems. Of course, you will get these high moves, but when it's ranging, it's a big problem. So I'm inviting you to adding our second indicator, which is Donchian Trend Ribbon from the LoneSomeTheBlue. Third one, click that to your chart. If you want to backtest this strategy or any strategy you like, I am strongly suggest you use TraderEdge. That is my favorite backtesting platform in the market. It's a great platform to test all your trading strategies easy like 3 to 1. TraderEdge offers 7-day free trial, and if you sign up now with the link in the description, you will get $470 worth of trading course and backtesting guide content for free. And now let's go to the settings of this indicator and change your channel period to 20. It's the default settings, but if it's something else, please change it to 20. Hit OK. So setup is now completely ready. Let's talk about money. So let's come to that false signal here. We got this buy signal from the Hull Suite, right? What you will do is you will go down and check if the Donchian Trend Ribbon is also green. If it is not, you will not enter any position. You will wait until the two of these indicators are in the same color. So let's take a look at this example. Hull Suite gave us a red color and Donchian Trend Ribbon gave us a red color. What you will do is you will enter short position. And very important thing is you need to wait until the bar close to take any signals from any indicators. And let's say that you get the sell signal from the Hull Suite, but Donchian Trend Ribbon is still green. You can give it a chance 2 bars, which means 2 minutes. If in that 2 minutes Donchian Trend Ribbon returns to red, because Hull Suite was red, you can enter short position again. But do not wait for the third bar because it can be a fake signal. So this is very important. This setup really has a high accuracy, high win rate, but of course you will lose some of the trades. But in the end of the day, if you follow your rule and if you position your size appropriate, you will make some nice amount of money. Trust me, I have checked a lot of scalping indicators, but this one is the so far best 1 minute scalping strategy that I have seen so far. So I am sharing it with you today. Let's see some examples very quickly so that you will understand everything. We got the sell signal here, but we will wait. We can wait, right? 2 bars. So 1 and 2. Donchian Trend Ribbon, return to red. What you can do is you can take a short position. You can confirm it because it happened in the second bar. If we waited third bar, no position. Very important, my friend. So let's see another example. Let's say that this is the last one. So here we got the sell signal and Donchian Trend Ribbon was red. So you can take a short position here. And in this kind of ranging markets, what you can do is you can not take any position when the volume is low, because if there is a no volume you cannot trade, right? What I'm suggesting you is please trade on the opening and closing hours. Do not trade on the lunch hour, because market will range and it can do something like crazy. But when it comes to the opening time until the lunch time and after the lunch time till the closing, including power hour, you can use this strategy. So that was all for this strategy. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, please consider watching those videos, and before you leave, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe.